everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some fish tea slash fish soup my way, and the fish I'm using today is salmon, and it's from the box that I won from Seafood Guys in Miami. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is going to be to make. We're going to start by seasoning our pieces of salmon with salt, fish seasoning, in goes green seasoning, and I'm using bottle green seasoning. If you cannot find fresh green seasoning, you can find this online on Amazon, and I'll link it down in the description box for you all. I'm also going in with some fresh green seasoning and giving that a mix well, and set it aside to marinate just for a little bit. Next, we're going to put up a pot on a medium heat and bring it with some water and bring it up to a simmer. We're going to add in scallions and celery chopped, season with salt. In goes some chopped provision. I'm using sweet potato, and carrots. You can make this without the provision. You can put as much provision as you want. In goes a packet of fish tea. And just give that a mix just to dissolve the fish tea and allow this to come up to a simmer, and then start breaking in some macaroni. Now this is how I like it, guys. I know everyone makes their fish tea differently. This is no set in stone recipe. This is just my take on this. So you're going to let the macaroni boil until it comes up to al dente. I don't let it get too soft, because as it sits in that hot broth, it's going to continue to cook and get very soft. So once all of your veggies and your macaroni is tender, go in with your fish. You don't want to overcook the fish for it to mash up. You want the fish to be nice and moist on the inside. And we're just going to allow this to cook until the fish is done. It's going to look nice and pink, and it's still going to be slightly moist on the inside and juicy. Now here I'm going to finish off with a tablespoon or a piece of golden ray and a squeeze of half of a lime, and mix that in, and then your soup would be ready to be served. You want to taste and adjust your salt, make sure all of the flavors are balanced. And if you guys wanted to omit the golden ray, of course you can. This soup was so amazing. And if you wanted to put a piece of lemongrass in here also, I think that would be perfect, especially if you're not feeling 100%. So all I have to do is go ahead and dish this out and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick recipe. Try it, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.